Here's how to unpin any Instagram post in just a few seconds. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This opens your profile page. Here, look for posts with small thumb pin icon on them. These are the pinned posts. To unpin, simply tap and hold the pinned post for a second. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, tap on Unpin from Main Grid. That's it. The post will instantly be removed from the pinned section. Alternatively, you can also open the pinned post normally. Then tap on the two-line icon in the top right corner of the post. Scroll down slightly and select the Unpin from Main Grid option. Instagram will immediately remove that post from the top of your profile. And that's it.